In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Google Vids. Whether you're editing a business presentation, making a personal video montage, or just experimenting with Google Vids for the first time, mistakes are bound to happen. Fortunately, Google Vids, part of the Google Workspace, provides a straightforward method to undo those mistakes, ensuring your video editing process is smooth and efficient. Let's dive into the steps on how to accomplish this without any hiccups. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. You can do this by simply typing Google Vids into your preferred web browser and selecting the official Google Vids webpage from the search results. The homepage of Google Vids presents a sleek and user-friendly interface designed for your video editing needs. Once you're on the page, the next thing to do is sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, this step might be skipped automatically, taking you straight to your Google Vids dashboard. After you have successfully signed in, you will be directed to choose the Google account you wish to use for Google Vids, in case you have multiple accounts. It's important to select the account associated with the video projects you intend to work on or access. This process is seamless and intuitive, ensuring that you're quickly brought to the Google Vids workspace without any hassle. Now onto the main feature of this tutorial, undoing changes in Google Vids. Regardless of how cautious you are, it's easy to make unintended alterations or delete a crucial part of your video. To resolve this, look towards the toolbar ribbon, which is neatly positioned at the top part of your screen while you're in the editing mode. Among the various tool options, you'll spot the undo button. This handy little icon is your go-to solution for reverting recent actions. Simply click on it and voila! The last action you performed will be undone, allowing you to rectify any mistakes with just a click. But what if you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts for their speed and convenience? Google Vids has got you covered there as well. Instead of reaching for the mouse to click the undo button, you can simply press Ctrl+Z if you're using a Windows PC or Command+Z if you're on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut is a universal feature across many applications, making it an easy to remember method for quickly undoing actions in Google Vids. This function is especially useful if you find yourself frequently making adjustments and changing your mind. Rather than navigating through the interface to find the undo button each time, a quick flick of your fingers on the keyboard instantly takes a step back, allowing you to experiment with your video edits freely without the fear of making irreversible mistakes. In conclusion, Google Vids embraces both simplicity and efficiency, ensuring that your video editing experience is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Whether you prefer clicking on the undo button directly from the toolbar or using the keyboard shortcut, this feature is a lifesaver for any editor looking to perfect their video projects. Remember, making mistakes is part of the creative process, and with Google Vids you have all the tools necessary to seamlessly correct those mistakes and bring your vision to life. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to undo in Google Vids. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a first-time user, understanding how to efficiently revert unintended changes is crucial in any video editing software. I hope this guide has been helpful, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate and use Google Vids more effectively.